Hello everyone, on today's video I'm going to do a guest bedroom makeover. So this is a room. It has a queen bed and we're going to use that bed. But that desk and the computer and all that office thing is going to get moved to another room. So I'm gonna cover this headboard. I found this contact paper at Amazon. It has the look of wood. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover the headboard with this contact paper. And this is how it's starting to look. I decided to put the contact paper going upward instead of going sideways. And here it is. You see at the bottom, you see a little brown, but that's gonna get covered with the mattress. And so for the next DIY, I have this side table and it's made out of metal. It doesn't go with the decor that I'll be using, so I'm gonna spray paint it and then I'm gonna cover it, not sure, with the contact paper. So all I do is I took a fine sandpaper and I sanded down the metal stuff to get all that rust that has, and then I spray painted it with the heirloom white. I think I gave it like 3 coats because I wanted to cover all that shiny metal part. So now I have this raffia ribbon, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the legs of the side table with this raffia. And here it is. I decided to leave the corners without raffia. I like how it looks. It looks totally different. And here it is all completed. And for the next DIY, this is gonna be a wall hanging. So I have this yarn and I decided to cut the yarn 48 inches, and then I fold it in half, as you can see here, because I want my wall hanging to measure 24 inches in height. So all I did is I took a piece of beige cotton rope and I did a square knot to hold all those yarns together. I think I cut 20 pieces of yarn, 48 inches, and then fold it in half. And then I did the same. I took white yarn, I cut them 48 inches. This one was thicker, so I think for this one I cut like 15 pieces or so. And I pretty much did the same with all the colors that you're gonna see ahead. So now I'm going to tie the rope that I used to make the square knot. I'm going to do double knots, and then I'm going to cut the excess rope. And now it's time to trim all the yarn. You can leave it like that if you like, but I wanted to keep it all straight. And here you can see this is the finished wall hanging. So I found these two chairs that somebody threw them out, and I had my husband pick them up, and I love the shape and it goes perfectly with my home decor. So, and I also found this cushion at Home Depot and it fits perfectly to that chair. So I took this fine sandpaper and I sanded down the chair. And then I took this golden wood stain and I painted both of the chairs with this color. And here it is all completed. So I let them dry for 2 whole days before putting the cushion on. And here is the chair. So now all this project, I'm gonna put them all in the guest bedroom. So this is how it's looking right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave that wall hanging. So let's see. I found these curtains at a local store and they go perfectly with the colors of the yarn wall hanging that I did. And there you can see I have the side table, and that lamp I bought it at Marshall's. And here's the room. I have the chair and a side table with my plants. They are real plants. I like having real plants. It gives life to a room. And I have here the throws, the cushions, and my pothos plant, and some crystals. And this is pretty much the guest bedroom. So I turn on the light because I love the light that I got on Marshall, so you guys can see how it looks. And here you can see pretty much where I got all the things. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.